I think all the arrangements, we'll all agree, were spot on. You also have a fantastic facility, and congratulations for that. It is really amazing. And I think we all can say that I've had wonderful 3 days over here. Work has been very busy. The days have been very long, and I can say that for all the examiners. But in the evenings, we have had a lot of fun. And the last couple of days, I visited the walled city, the Badshahi Mosque, the Lahore Fort yesterday, and I also had the privilege to be able to catch a glimpse of the dome of the Love Temple in Lahore Fort, thanks to the Yasser who made it possible for me. So thank you very much. As you know, Lahore, the name comes from Lovepur, city that was built by Prince Love 2,000 to 3,000 years ago. And I must say, this trip, I had a lot of hesitation, in coming here. This trip was planned at a very short notice. And when I got this chance, this email from the college, I said I will go. I applied for the visa. I was not sure I would get the visa, but anyway, I applied. And after having applied, I started having second thoughts, and I was hoping that the Pakistani embassy will turn down my visa so I can quietly tell the college and the college team that sorry, I cannot make it. But anyway, the visa arrived, and then it was time to book the tickets. And then I asked my friends in our group chats, look, I have an opportunity to go to Lahore, should I go? I asked my family. My friends were split 50-50. Some said no, some said yes, 50-50. I asked my family then. My mother said, no, you can't go. I asked my two daughters. They said, Dad, you must go. You're getting a chance to go, you must go. Then I asked my wife, and she said, look, you're going to do what you want to do. So there's no point in me saying yes or no. So she didn't give me a yes and she didn't give me a no, but I wanted to come, and I got the tickets and I came, and I'm so glad I came. I want to thank not only the host, but I stand here today to thank all my fellow examiners. Thank you for your friendship and thank you for your fellowship. And it has been such an amazing 2 days. I've made so many friends in so many different parts of Pakistan. Now I can really go back and say, oh, I have contacts all over Pakistan. And I know we live in difficult times. We have to accept we are where we are. But I really hope that, and before I say that, I learned Urdu phrase today from one of my co-examiners, Aman. I learned the Urdu phrase for him. And I'll finish by slightly modifying that phrase. And, I hope one day there is somebody who will come up with a magic wand and he'll make magic. And we all in the future will be able to say, now let me make it right. I hope that all of us in the future, we should be able to say, हमें खुदा भी मिला, हमें विसाल ए सनम भी मिला. So pardon? So basically, Aman, you can explain better. There is a saying in Urdu which is, na khuda mila, na visale sanam mila. Like you didn't get this, you didn't get that.
शेर है ना उर्दू का, ना खुदा ही मिला ना विसाले सनम, ना इधर के रहे ना उधर के रहे. So he transformed it in other way around.
We should be lucky that we got this also and we got that also. So there you are. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much. Excellent.